everybody, Internet here again. Sorry for being out so long, not posting another video. But today we are gonna I'm gonna show you guys how to make a 1x1 tunnel to your base. Like this. I'll show you how it works. Of course, fence, water. It's also this is for PE, for the PE players, because, the what's it called? The trapdoor trick for PC doesn't work on PE. So how this works is you go through you go through and tunnel 1x1 tunnel, then bam, there you go. See, simple as that. Of course it's for PE, not PC, because many PE players struggle with the ability to go through 1x1 tunnels by doing, I don't know, Lytra tricks, tips and tricks and whatnot. But yeah, this is how you make one of them. Of course, there will be two of them. First of all is the 1x1, and then second is the 1x1 with piston. So to see how this works is see how this works is, of course, you have a time limit with the water, so you're gonna have to be quick, or else you'll drown. And there you go. See? Simple as that. But yeah, man, my sickness. Oh, yeah, you can also add the exit water if you want, but that is how you make it. But I'll show you guys the simplest way to make it. But so many buts today. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to make it in the simple way possible. Of course, this is all the materials you need. You don't need to include these. These are the extras that I had a while ago. I was testing out with a couple of stuff. But anyways, let's get started with the one with the piston, because that's the most, I don't know, like probably the most not complicated, more like resource taking. Sorry about that, but kind of allergy season for me. I don't know why, but it's allergy season. So anyways, don't mind my sneezes, just pass by them. But the simplest way to do this is just by, first, the way this works is, of course, 1x1 tunnel. Of course, one block tunnel. So the way this works is trapdoor blocks the water and you swim through. Of course, there are a lot of ways to do this, but it's the simplest way possible. Oh no. Oh wait, I forgot. Bap. My goodness, it's so hot. I don't know why it's hot season and cold season. Oh no, there you go. But anyways, yes, that is how you do it. Yeah, that's how you do it. So first, you gotta, of course, open that, swim through, and there you go. So that is the simplest way for the first step of the tunnel with the piston. So the piston part is complicated because the button has to be up here. Give me a second. Where's my, oh wait, my button's gone. Is my button back at the chest? Oh, there it is. But yeah, the button has to be upwards because, well, for some reason, I don't know, when you're in a 1x1, the block in PE, it will, that you see is the up block, like, so this block right here. It's weirded out why, because then why would it be a thing? Why would it even be a thing that you'd have a 1x1 block? So I improvised and did this. So now, because of the waterlog update, thanks to Mojang, thank you Mojang, there is now, you can now put buttons underwater. I'll show you. Give me a second. Boom. You see that? That is the declaration of war. Just kidding. No. That, see? The button doesn't disappear. Before, in about old Minecraft versions, these don't work. But now, it works perfectly. And I'll show you how to do the redstone. Practically, I will just show this. You can pause a video in this, or like this, or just screenshot it and go with the rest of the video. Anyways, yes, this is how it works. You have to put water on both the sides. If you don't, then you lose. But if you do, you win. But anyways, give me a shimmy. Give me a shimmy, no, give me a second. Just gotta set up the other side so that it makes sense how this works. Because this is a how-to video. It wouldn't make sense that how would it work? But anyway, since you guys seen the redstone part, I wouldn't be explaining this, but I will anyways. Of course, you need repeater, that redstone power. Redstone power will come from the buttons, and that will just activate the piston, letting the water flow through. Now, the water will be spaced, and you'll be able to go back one block. And yeah, just give me a second, guys. Alright, guys, I just had to drink some milk tea, but I'm back in the video. As you can hear, I'm already finished, but of course you finish with the end tunnel, and bam! Wait, give me a second. There you go. See? Easy. This is probably one of all my. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Well, all my how-tos are probably easy for me to make, cause it's easy. Why am I? Oh, I'm in flat, and I'm flying. But yeah, that's how you make it. Of course, at the end of the 1x1 tunnel, your very fortified base that can be made out of bedrock. Just kidding, you can't get bedrock in survival. That'd be cheating. Wouldn't it be? Just give me a second, guys. There's a bee in my recording room. Oh, yeah, never mind. Anyways, yeah, that is how to make the 1x1 tunnel with the piston. I mean, it would include going to the nether since you need repeaters and wait, no. Oh wait, no, repeaters are made of just stone and redstone torches. Okay, you don't need to go to the nether, that's good. But next up is, well, technically it's the same, but just without like this and the piston. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna make it. It's pretty easy. That's not what I wanted to happen, so I just let it happen. I had a funeral though for my dog, but anyways, guys, that's it. While I'm talking, you guys just saw how I built this. 1 by 1 tunnel, water, fence, camouflage stone. Even though that's not what it's called in Minecraft. And voila, your very own little tunnel to your base. Actually, I could make like a secret tunnel network around my Minecraft world, my Minecraft survival. Also, there, also, guys, I have made a Minecraft server on another Minecraft launcher, the brother of the regular Minecraft. It's been copyrighted by, I don't know, T launcher. That's what my launcher's name is. But yeah, it was modified, and of course different from. I guess there's some different things in there in Minecraft too, but I guess it's Minecraft. It's fine. You can build anything. You can do anything. But yeah, that is. I also made a server that can only be on for. Sorry to disappoint you, but 10 minutes. There, 10 minutes it can only be on, and I was disappointed when I saw that. I mean, yeah, sure, I could go into my world, probably do some survival, probably make an anarchy, but no, I'm making an SMP, but I can't do it right now. Cause, well, first of all, Wi-Fi is weak. Second of all, I can't even join in my own Minecraft server. I can't even manage it properly. So maybe soon in the future, I'll have it 24/7. Maybe. But if you want to join, I don't know, probably on Saturdays or Sundays. Well, I can't have it on Saturdays and Sundays because everyone has their own time in their own countries. And yeah. So maybe soon I'll have it 24/7 like Hypixel. But anyways, guys, that is it for today's how-to. You didn't even need to know about this because it's the same as this, but without the piston and the water idea I made. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Today's how-to. Sorry it took so long, but that is some explaining to do. Also, subscribe, notifications on with notification bell. Don't forget to press that. If you don't press that, I'll be sad because I got no subscribers. Oh, just kidding. I have 15 subscribers. But anyways, press that sub button, like that press that like button, and enjoy your new tunnel to your base. And goodbye. Signing out.